Chidiya.
I am a colorful bird and I can imitate your voice. Can you guess my name?
Parrot, Tota.
I am a bird of prey and I build my nest on high trees. Can you guess my name?
Eagle, Gaureya.
I am the national bird of India and I love dancing in the rain. Do you know who I am?
Peacock, More.
I used to send letters in the older times. Do you know who I am?
Pigeon, Kabootar.
I'm king in fishing and I love to eat fish. Can you tell my name?
Kingfisher, Chidiya.
I have the largest beak compared to the body. Can you guess my name?
Toucan, Toucan.
I make the sound of quack quack. Can you guess my name?
Duck, Batakh.
I have wings, but I use it for swimming. I love cold weather. Can you guess my name?
Penguin, Penguin.
I'm the national bird of New Zealand. I also share my name with a fruit. Can you guess my name?
Kiwi, Kiwi.
I am a bird of prey. I'm active at night. I'm also called as night watchman. Can you guess my name?
Owl, Ullu.
I am the national bird of Israel. Can you guess my name?
Hoopoe, Hood.
I am a bird of prey and I share my name with a diamond-shaped object which you fly in the sky. Can you guess my name?
Kite, Cheel.
My name features in the famous Christmas song, The 12 Days of Christmas. Can you guess my name?
Partridge, Peter.
I love pecking the wood of the tree. Can you guess my name?
Woodpecker, Cutfurwa.
My Hindi name is also one of the names of Lord Shiva. Can you guess my name?
Indian roller, Nilkant.
I am the national bird of Malaysia. Can you guess my name?
Hornbill, Dhanesh.
I am the tallest flying bird and I can grow up to 5 feet 9 inches tall. Can you guess my name?
Crane, Saras.
I am a household bird and I can fly very fast. Can you guess my name?
Sparrow, Gaureya.
I have very strong legs and instead of hopping, I use my legs for walking on the ground. Can you guess my name?
Maina, Mana.
the largest flying bird in the world. Can you guess my name?
Condor. Condorgate.
I have a very strong eyesight and I can see my prey from up to 2 miles away. Can you guess my name?
Eagle. Cheel.
I am carnivorous and I have a great sense of sight and smell. Can you guess my name?
Vulture. Geet.
I can fly at a very high speed and catch my prey very fast. Can you guess my name?
Hawk. Barge.
I have a very beautiful voice and I love to sing. Can you guess my name?
Nightingale. Bulbul.
I am an ancestor of domestic chicken. Can you guess my name?
Jungle Fall. Cuckoo.
I lay my eggs in the nest of other birds. Can you guess my name?
Cuckoo. Koyal.
I am known for my loud and harsh sound of cow cow. Can you guess my name?
Crow. Kaua.
I bathe in dust to keep myself clean of pests and germs. Can you guess my name?
Quail. Butted.
I am the only bird that knows how to tie real knots. Can you guess my name?
Weaver. Baya.
I have very long legs and a very long neck. Can you guess my name?
Stork. Bagula.
I am also a small and singing bird. Can you guess my name?
Skylark. Chakta.
I am white in color and I am a symbol of peace. Can you guess my name?
Dove. Facta.
I am world's largest bird and I cannot fly. Can you guess my name?
Ostrich. Shootermog.
I can sleep upside down and I can see in the night. Can you guess my name?
Bat. Chamgadad.
You can find me in the nearest poultry farms and I lay eggs. Can you guess my name?
Hen. Murgi.
I am a very beautiful bird and I am also a symbol of love. Can you guess my name?
Swan. Horns. Hey kids, please like and subscribe to my channel. Smile please.